your friend Rani Subramania, and once again welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. After a long time, I've also come, I'm wearing also sari, but it is very lightweight. The season started, everyone, when summer comes, everyone looks to wear, demands to wear, either it is a Poonam sari, either it is a silk sari, either it is a functional, party wear, kurti, any collections in the summer season, we expect lightweight saris, right? Today I'm going to show you functional wear silk varieties, which is a rapier cotton silk collections. Keep watching this video. This summer rapier cotton silk collections you can add into your business. Subscribe to the channel. There is a bell icon. Just click it, add into your business. Retailers, dealers, wholesalers, quickly these collections are, here is a huge box collections. These box varieties I'm going to show you, which is approximately 600 rupees to 1200 varieties I'm going to show you. I'm not showing you I'm not mentioning here the specific prices. If you want the specific prices, you can easily, the numbers which are on the screen, you can just contact. First pattern, beautiful baby pink with mehndi green color shade. The beautiful sari, which is a copper light butta, silver butta with mehndi green shade with Miss Rose Cotton. Miss Rose Cotton is the code. Beautiful sari. This is the pattern. Okay. This is a pallu, the color combination. This is one of the pattern. Next pattern, which is a rapier cotton, but it looks like a khadi cotton. In this you have a khaki color or the one of the mud color, I can say, with the magenta color combination, which is a heavy pallu, which is a Sangam Sunena cotton. Sangam Sunena cotton, beautiful pallu, and body part you can see the floral base. This is the body part. In this collections you have a color chart. These are all summer special rapier season varieties for the wedding, pre-wedding collections to family share, gifting, all season you can purchase. Now I need only light colors, means light colors, mini butta, silver butta, contrast color combinations. I have one of the light beige color combination, I can say, which is you can't, it's visible, it's not visible in the camera, you may when you watch the video, but this color is very and this is a rapier cotton heavy collections, I can say. In this you can see the heavy weaving work pattern. This is a new city silk is the code. In this also you have a beautiful varieties, color charts you can purchase. I have one more pattern, which is a south pattern, I can say, Rama green color combination, which is Jeevan color cotton. Jeevan color cotton, Rama green with babe onion pink, I can say, with the copper butta, copper jerry collections, I can say here. These are all exclusive varieties. And next pattern, mehndi color with matte look finishing with the rangoli pattern, with one of the light color with the pista color combination. In between you can see the mehndi color also. I'll just show you. The code is called Amrit Movie Cotton. Amrit Movie Cotton. This is also one of the pattern. Beautiful sari. See, this is a pattern. All these exclusive collections you can add. Now I am going to show you rapier paper cotton, I can say. Rapier paper cotton. It looks like organza based. It's a snaky design which is given here. Beautiful sari. In this also you have a beautiful pallu. This is code called Garima Upasana silk. Garima Upasana silk. This is one of the pattern. In this also you can purchase. Next pattern, dark maroon color with nutcut queen silk with a sequence work. If anyone is expecting the stonework pattern, Siroski, which is a checks pattern as well as copper jerry with copper border with the maroon color with the golden pattern. The stonework is a heavy concept in the pallu and the border. So these are all exclusive new summer season rapier cotton varieties I've showed you. The approximate prices I've showed you, I've shared with you, which is around 600 to 1200. I have not mentioned here the specific prices. So retailers, dealers, wholesalers, quickly you can take a screenshot. Call our online team. You can do live video calling purchase. And there is you can easily contact and connect with Kesaria manufacturers. If I talk about Surat, Surat is very familiar for the clothing business, and everyone worldwide, if you have a plans to start some business, clothing business is easy to sell and to do the business. It's not required the big education or experience. You're not required. It's easily selling out because everywhere you can see the showroom and the clothing business, either home based business business, women entrepreneurs or boutique also you can run. Sari, lehenga, kurti, chudidar, but chudidar running material, matching collections, kids collections, men varieties, western wear. So kurti, one piece, two piece, three piece combo collections, all the varieties of boutique, party wear, fancy, multiple varieties of sarees. You can purchase it wholesale with color charts, no quantity and quality compromise. So quickly go and add into your business. COD options from sitting online from your home. Do online purchase. Enjoy this collections, add into your business. Numbers are on the screen. Subscribe the channel and let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. Keep supporting me. Next video will meet up with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye-bye.